Hi everyone. If you're looking for something to help energize you in the morning, maybe in the afternoon when you get that little lull after lunch, perhaps Qigong can offer you something that will help get you going. So first, let's just come to a nice comfortable stance, maybe our feet right underneath our hips, and just take a nice deep breath in through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. As we exhale, letting our shoulders relax, taking a breath in, and then again, sighing out through the mouth. Maybe giving our knees a little bounce and our arms a little shake. One more time, breathing in, and exhaling out through the mouth. In Qigong, we take these exhales through the mouth as a way to clear out any stagnant or negative built up energy that we may have. Another way to move this energy along is simply by shaking the body. So we can kind of start at our wrists, a little bounce in our knees, grounding ourselves into our heels, picking up the pace a little bit, allowing our shoulders and our neck to get in on the movement, maybe turning side to side, maybe making the motion a little bit bigger, maybe hips side to side, maybe you shake your knees, maybe you kick your heels up, whatever feels good, just kind of shaking those things out of our body. Let's move into knocking on the door of life. So let's walk our feet out a little bit wider than our hips, and then turning from our waist, we just breathe in and out. Allowing our arms to be loose, our shoulders relaxed, and our arms are actually knocking on our body here. So we have all of these points along our body that kind of are a culmination of our nervous system, cardiovascular system, and they're called meridians. And they relate to our different energy systems in our body. And what we're doing here as we continue to tap, so we're knocking on the door of life being the collection of these energy centers near the base of our spine at our pelvis. Also, right back here are our kidneys, and atop the kidneys are our adrenal glands. And our adrenal glands regulate our energy production in our body. So as we say good morning to ourselves and our loved ones, we say good morning to our kidneys and our energy. We welcome it into our body, continuing to breathe in and out, relaxing the shoulders, keeping the movement, and maybe we can even shift our weight side to side. So keeping our shoulders over our hips, we're simply shifting from one side to the other, bringing some energy up through our feet, paying attention to our body, listening. If we get any sharp shooting pains or anything that tells us no, then we make the movement smaller. Continuing to move from our waist, from our dantian, just below our belly button, the source of energy that keeps us stable and allows us to move freely, connecting our upper and lower body. Just a few more taps here, continuing to breathe. And then slowing this movement down, stepping our feet back together, just underneath our hips. Let's just open the flow here. So we're going to come to a Wuji posture first. So bending our knees gently, bring our palms face forward. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to take a breath in and we're going to bend into our knees and lift our hands. So as we inhale, floating the arms up, and then exhaling, sinking down. From the side, it might look like this. Inhaling and exhaling. Shoulders, elbows, and wrists relaxed. Like our hands are floating through water. Continue to breathe and relax into your body. Maybe we expand it. So inhale here, As we exhale, pressing our arms out to the side, expanding, inhaling, coming back, exhaling, floating down. We'll add one more because we can. Exhaling, press out, inhaling back to center, exhaling, pressing forward, inhaling back, exhaling down. Continue inhaling forward, exhale, press out, inhale, drawing the arms in, exhaling, pressing forward, inhaling to center, exhaling, pressing down, and continue to flow, inhaling up, exhaling, pressing out, inhaling, drawing in, exhaling, pressing forward, continuing to flow with your breath. Very good. Landing back in our Wuji posture. Maybe closing our eyes for just a moment and pausing and noticing what's happening here in our body. This transfer, this movement of energy. One last movement for us this morning. Bringing our legs a little bit wider, we're going to kind of toss some chi side to side. So let's go ahead and inhale, legs straight. And as we exhale, our front palm floats across, tossing some energy out to the side. Inhaling, coming back to center. Exhaling, flowing across. Inhaling, center. Brushing away any stagnant, unwelcome energy. Just continuing to flow here. Bring a nice rotation to our torso. Maybe picking up the pace just a tiny bit. Kind of get that energy going. Feeling that sinking into our bodies, we bounce in our knees. Drawing that energy up and down and across our body. Shoulders relaxed. Muscles in our face relaxed. Maybe you even smile a teeny tiny bit. This tossing, this brushing side to side helps clear our energy field. Helps make us a little bit lighter. You can always adjust for your shoulders. Maybe they don't flow up as far if you have recurring shoulder issues. Perhaps they just don't feel it this morning. Just a few more times. And then slowing the motion, bringing our feet together, and let's end in bamboo in the wind. So one hand over the other, over the lower belly. Taking a moment to inhale deeply, closing our eyes. And exhaling. Feeling our body sway side to side, maybe front to back. This is simply our energy moving around and settling in, re-centered. Taking a couple more breaths. Very good. And let me know if you guys have any questions, any concerns, if you like this, if you want more of this, if you want something more challenging, maybe you need something more gentle. Feel free to let me know. You guys can always ask to join our Zoom classes, and we are adding new classes. We have yoga, Tai Chi, Qigong, Pilates, a little something for everybody. So thank you all for joining me. Please like and comment and share so that others can join in these same activities. Namaste.